Hello students, this is a BK chapter 9 video 2. Now students, in this video you will learn some important adjustments. Now adjustments means what in final account? Students, first in accounting, whatever business transaction, that business transactions enter in the books of accounts mean journal. So first you should know how to prepare journal, then ledger, then balancing of ledger, then trial balance. Now, preparation of trial balance. After preparing trial balance, if there is any changes, if any errors, so how to make changes in accounting after preparation of trial balance? Students, you know trial balance means what? List of debit balances and credit balances. And both debit balances and credit balances should equal. So after preparation of trial balance, is there any changes? That is called adjustment. So if any adjustments after trial balance, then how to show that adjustments in final account, that you will learn here. Students, whatever will come in trial balance, only one effect you have to give in final account. But whatever adjustment after trial balance, after preparation of trial balance, whatever adjustments, that you have to give two effects in final account. So how to give that two effects? Adjustments and two effects, that you will learn in this video. Okay. So very important, that first closing stock. Now closing stock, how to give two effects? What is a journal entry? Closing stock account debit to trading account. But see here properly how to give two effects. First effect, credit side of trading account you have to write. Second effect, asset side of balance sheet. Okay. Then depreciation of asset. So depreciation you know already. Just you studied that depreciation. Depreciation means gradual and continuous decrease or reduction in the value of asset. And depreciation is charged on fixed asset. It is treated as loss. So it is debited to profit and loss account and to be deducted from respective assets. How see the entry? Depreciation. What are the effects? Debit side of profit and loss account and deducted from particular assets on asset side of balance sheet. Okay. Now next we have outstanding expenses. See, outstanding expenses means whichever due but not paid for the current year. Okay. So how to show that outstanding expenses? Outstanding expenses means unpaid expenses. So see the first effect, add to particular expenses. Add to particular expenses on trading or profit and loss account, but you have to add. Okay. And second effect, shown on liability side of balance sheet. Okay. So second effect, where it will come? Liability side of balance sheet. Now next we have prepaid expenses, means unexpired expenses or whatever paid in advance of the current year. Okay. So that prepaid expenses, what is the first effect? Less from particular expenses on trading or profit and loss account. And second effect, asset side of balance sheet. Then next we have accrued income, outstanding income, not received. Okay. So accrued income, how to give effects? Add to particular income on credit side of profit and loss account and asset side of balance sheet. It is income receivable. Okay. Then income received in advance. The income related to next accounting year but received in current year is known as income received in advance. So it is called actually pre-received income. So what are the effects? Less from particular income on credit side of profit and loss account and liability side of balance sheet. Second effect. Now see bad debts. Bad debts means what? A recoverable amount from debtors. The amount of bad debts is loss to business. So bad debts is debited to profit and loss account and it is deducted from sundry debtors. For see the following effects. Debit side of profit and loss account. Bad debts new RDD given and deducted from sundry debtors on asset side. Now reserve or provision for doubtful debts means it is RDD. There are some debtors of which recovery is doubtful. It may not be realized. For this purpose, such provision is created which is known as reserve for doubtful debts. This provision is created on the experiences of previous year. It is an anticipated loss, therefore provision for doubtful debts is necessary. Now see how to give effect. Debit side of profit and loss account and deducted from sundry debtors on asset side. Now next you have provision or reserve for discount on debtors. This is an incentive to debtors for early payment. Such discount is also treated as loss. See this effect. Debit side of profit and loss account and deducted from sundry debtors on asset side of balance sheet. Now reserve and provision for discount on creditors. It is an incentive to make payment of creditors at the earliest. So discount received from creditors is treated as profit or gain. So it is to be credited to profit and loss account and to be deducted from creditors from balance sheet. It is the only exception to the convention of conservatism. See effect. Credit side of profit and loss account and deducted from sundry creditors on liability side of balance sheet. When only bad debts are given in trial balance, it is debited to profit and loss account as it is loss. But RDD given in trial balance, that RDD is called old RDD. And whatever RDD given in adjustment, students, it is called new RDD. Now goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use. So what is the first effect? Credit side of trading or deducted from purchase account or deducted from capital on liability side. Now goods distributed as free sample. Goods distributed as free sample means advertisement. So amount of goods distributed as a free sample, it is to be debited to profit and loss account under the head of advertisement. Okay, so how to show it? Credit side of trading or deducted from purchases account. Goods distributed as free sample and debited to profit and loss account. There what will come? Advertisement. Okay. Now interest on capital. Whichever interest on capital we have to calculate on capital amount. What is the first effect? Debit side of profit and loss account and add to capital liability side of balance sheet. Interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, credit side of profit and loss account. Interest on drawing, it is income for business and add to drawings or less from capital. Now students, only see this video again and again to know the effects of adjustment. But when we will solve the problems on final account, that time you will understand better. Okay, now just keep practice and whatever given effects, please see it properly. Okay, thank you.